What's going on? My name's Tim, one of the founders here at Scary Good Marketing. And if you're watching this, you're watching our 31 days of Scary Good Marketing tips and tricks. And today, I want to share with you how you can make more sales by doing quizzes. That's right, quizzes. Now, I know that whenever you hear the word quiz, you may have flashbacks to when you were in school and how you really hated quizzes and they were like the worst thing in the world, right? Well, thanks to places like BuzzFeed, quizzes are something that people really do spend a lot of time doing, spending all kinds of time figuring out what kind of character they are from their favorite movies, what kind of video games they are, all kinds of things. And quizzes have really become a very viral way to get content out, get people to engage with you. But really what I want to focus on is how do you actually make money from quizzes? Because, like I said, if you look at a lot of the stuff from BuzzFeed, obviously the reason why they want to make these viral quizzes is because they need more traffic on their website, because the more people that visit their website, the more money they make in advertising, because people pay BuzzFeed to advertise and to run ads on BuzzFeed. So that's really their strategy. But what if you're just a business and you don't really care about trying to make a viral quiz, you just want to make more money in your business? Well, that's what I want to talk about, and it is actually pretty simple. And if you actually look, there isn't necessarily a lot of businesses utilizing quizzes to make more money and make more sales, but there are a few out there. The example of a jewelry store, right? Let's say that you're a jeweler and really one of the big things is engagement rings, right? A lot of engagement rings, people are always getting married. That's really something that drives a lot of business for a lot of jewelers. So the thing that works really, really well, so you can actually create a quiz to help men figure out what kind of engagement ring they should buy. Now, I think that this works fantastically well, and being able to let your customers go through a quiz and then give them recommendations based on their answers is really one of the best ways to utilize somewhat customization and help the potential buyer and customer actually make a buying decision. Now, this works really, really well because one of the things that is very difficult for a lot of men is actually finding a good engagement ring and one that their to-be wife is actually going to like. And it's a really hard decision and a really big thing in their life. And if you can go and create a quiz that essentially walks them through, like it asks them like maybe different things that their potential wife likes, different styles, all of that stuff. And they go through this quiz, and then at the end you show them maybe 4 or 5 rings that match their significant other, their to-be wife's style, and you show them rings that match her style. They're more likely to actually buy from you because now you've taken looking at hundreds of thousands of rings and boiled it down to just a handful of options, right? Maybe you have 3 or 4 options that they can choose from, and now they feel a lot more confident in making the right choice. Now, where you really see quizzes quite a bit is in the fitness industry, right? You have quizzes on, what is the best workout plan based on your body type? Or what is the best supplement to take based on your body type to see the best results, right? And people go through these quizzes, and at the end, it shows them recommendations based on their body type, what kind of exercises they may need to do, what kind of fitness programs they should do, even what supplements maybe they should be taking to help them reach their goal. And now what you're doing is it feels a lot more tailored. It feels like we actually had a conversation and the customer feels like you actually know them. And that's one of the biggest ways to build trust, is when someone feels understood. And quizzes really allow you to do that. And you can really start capitalizing on creating quizzes. Now, creating an engaging quiz and creating that is not always the easiest, and sometimes is a little difficult to figure out how do we, like, what kind of questions do we ask, that kind of stuff. So I know that that is really the hang up when it comes to quizzes. But if you would like our help in creating and developing a quiz that you can use in your business to start seeing a lot more sales, I'm actually going to leave a link below this video where you can schedule a Scary Good strategy session with us, and we can talk all about the type of quiz that you should probably run, what makes the most sense, and really help you start developing your quiz. That way you can start seeing a lot more sales in your business. So that's pretty much what I have for you today. Make sure you go out and start thinking about how you can start implementing quizzes in your business to start seeing a lot more sales. So if you found this video useful or helpful, make sure to subscribe here to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to come back here tomorrow for our next Scary Good Marketing tip and trick video.